Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to reschedule on Setmore. So right now we are here in our calendar, and if you go to our booking, we just created a booking on Setmore. So right here you will see the booking, and if you now go to our email, you can see right here the appointments that we just created. So right now if you go down, you will see here the name and you're booked in and then what. But right now, here is an option where we can click on manage. So now if we click here on manage, here is an option to click on reschedule appointment. So click on that. Then right now you will see here all the options. Now select a time, then say something like this time is fine for me. And then we do confirm. And right now we rescheduled our appointment. So this is how you can reschedule in Setmore. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.